All right. Once again, it's the 20th of May, leaving a little over less than 2 weeks now. So this is a pocket where I'm going to keep my phone. I did swap out and got a lighter pocket knife. And I mentioned, I already have, this is to hold the bear can. And I laid out all my food. So here's the Gatorade. I got a bunch of 5 liters. I got one 2-liter, one 4-liter. I got a bunch of teas, both basically regular tea, Lipton, and then some green tea. And then I got the really nasty electrolytes that I do drink when I'm having a rough day at night. Snacks. Well, I got a lot of banana chips. I got some pineapple pieces. The reason why I didn't like pineapples, it didn't have as many calories per gram. Mangoes did hit the value there. I've got 8 cans of peanut butter in 1-pound jars. I've got a whole bunch of beef jerky, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got enough beef jerky. And then I really like the almonds. So I got wasabi, I got salt, I got smoke, I got honey. Cashews are good, and the last 2 are special cashews. They're honey roasted ones. And then pecans, they are really calorie filled. Obviously, I like the Werthers. Hard part about having Werthers is having a wife steal them. I got Toblerone. I already mentioned the Paydays. And then I really like these Smarties. Man, I like those in Peru quite a bit. This is extra goat milk just to fill up with calories. And then I got all my breakfast, which is basically a recipe that I've been using for, 20 plus years, which is about 145 grams of oatmeal with, I think, 15 grams of sugar, 15 grams of raisins, and then I throw in dehydrated fruit. So I got apple crisp, I got Fuji apple, I've got banana strawberry, I've got plain strawberry, and I have Asian pear in different combinations. That's what the letter is on there. So that's 100 oatmeals. I got 10 top ramens. I had some dehydrated food left over that I bought for the John Muir Trail. And that's my my chicken meals, which I have 4 of. I got 5 of the beef stroganoff. And then I got a bunch of these sausage crumbles. I bought two canisters. And that I mix with what you see here, which is either a combination cheddar broccoli with goat milk and a bunch of other really good nutrients. And then I have different types of mashed potato, different types of flavor. And what I do is I typically boil 2 cups of water with the sausage crumbles, which starts getting them soft. And then I mix it in with one of these meals. And the other thing I have is 54 of these Star-Kissed. So my protein is balanced by obviously the beef jerky and the Star-Kissed. And the reason why I get the sunflower oil is because the sunflower has quite a few more calories because of the oil. And the other thing I have to find, I just realized they do not have, are all my oil things. So I thought I laid everything out, but I just remembered I got the oil. And then Janet let Winnie chew up a couple of these, so I got to make some more, but I'm going to have toilet paper in every single resupply. I got some wet ones. I got plenty of small little toothpaste. I got a couple of toothbrushes that I got from multiple first-class flights. These are my vitamins, and I think I'm going to vacuum bag them. So I got enough vitamins, and then here's the trail map. So I fly down to Oregon with this one, and then we're going to have in the old station resupply box. So in certain resupplies, so Castile, I get this one, and then in Sierra City, I get this one, and you can see how this works. So at the last resupply of each one is where I get the next map. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 maps to get through California. These are all the boxes all that food came out of, and getting pretty freaking excited right now.